Hi YouTubers, it's George. I'm in the garage at the moment. Just sort of give you an update on projects. I'm still working on low pass filters and ham radio stuff, and but I'm doing jobs on Herb to do with the mice. I'm doing jobs on Bertie, the Bongo, and today I'm setting up this new 2 kilowatt diesel heater to test. This is for the Bongo, and it fits in the engine compartment, and there's a custom made mounting plate that bolts on the chassis of the Bongo because it goes in the engine compartment, the whole heater, and that's the mounting plate which I've got. But I'm going to actually test the heater before I attempt to fit it in the vehicle, just make sure it's alright, because there's been a few people having trouble with the 2 kilowatt ones. So I'm going to set it up roughly with a power supply rather than the battery to test, and then I'm going to run it on some diesel or paraffin, and it's just screwed roughly to my sawhorses here, and there's the fuel pump, and so I've just got to connect the control panel on this one, on the wiring, to a power unit which will be a switch mode power unit which eliminates the battery, because my battery is running this heater in the garage, so I don't want to disconnect that, so I've got no heat at all, because the exhaust will be sticking out the garage, if that makes sense. Okay, so what's going on here? I've got 230 volt going into this power supply. This power supply can give 12 volt at 30 amps. It's actually set up for 13 volts at the moment. I've got the fuel pipe going into this paraffin heater here, into the reservoir, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to plug this in the mains and see if you get the control panel to light up. Right, this is the mains here. Right, let's unplug these. See what happens. Right. I don't know what this means. P13. Power 13 volts. Okay. So that seems to work. I'm going to read the instruction book. I think I'm going to turn this other heater off for a minute. And read the instructions and see what it says, because it's a different controller. "13 volts. Let's switch it on. Now I need to prime the pump, don't I? Right, instructions. Bear with me, I'm just going to knock the camera off. Bit higgledy-piggledy. I think it's running, but it's stinking the place out. I haven't done an exhaust on it. I suppose I should put one on. It might quieten it down. Well, it's been running for about 10-15 minutes. It's on the highest setting, and what I'm doing, I'm letting the fuel run out. The fuel's not connected to the diesel container, it's just here, and I'm just letting it run itself out, which is just run out now. So it should shut off the no fuel with an error message, in theory. Now it's smoking a bit. Right, that's still shut down then. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, smoking now, it's shutting down. Interesting.